Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down products to see if they really deliver. Today, we're taking a closer look at the CHOEZON large record player stand. A versatile vinyl record holder and display rack designed for music lovers who want style and function in one piece. If you've ever struggled with organizing your growing vinyl collection, this stand promises to be a solution. This record player stand measures 29.5 inches in length, 11.8 inches in width, and stands 27.6 inches tall. Its compact footprint is deceptively spacious, offering multiple sections for organizing your records and accessories. On the right side, there's room to place a record player along with your speakers, while the left side features a fine mesh front that lets you display your favorite albums. The bottom section is dedicated to neatly storing up to 250 vinyl records, so your collection stays accessible and orderly. One of the standout features is its construction. The table combines sturdy particle board with a black metal frame, giving it both durability and stability. Thick legs with adjustable feet, along with an anti-tip kit, ensure that it remains steady on any surface while also protecting your floors from scratches. The rounded edges and smooth surfaces add to the overall quality feel, and the materials are designed to last. Aesthetically, this stand embraces a retro industrial style. Vintage wood grain panels meet black metal framing, with fence and iron mesh accents that create an industrial yet refined vibe. The design adds a touch of character to any room, whether it's your living area, a dedicated music corner, or an office lounge. It's a piece that doesn't just serve a function but also elevates the visual appeal of the space it occupies. Beyond holding vinyl records, this stand is highly versatile. It doubles as a bookshelf or display stand for art, books, or collectibles, making it a multifunctional addition to your home. Its design accommodates a variety of uses, blending seamlessly into contemporary home decor while maintaining its industrial charm. Assembly is straightforward and beginner-friendly. The package comes with clearly numbered parts and a detailed illustrated manual, allowing you to set it up without frustration. Adjustable feet help with leveling on uneven surfaces, so even if your floor isn't perfect, your stand will remain stable and secure. This large record player stand is lightweight enough at 17.6 pounds to be moved if needed, yet solid enough to support your record player and a substantial collection of albums. Its mixed shelf layout, adjustable height, and customizable storage capabilities make it a practical choice for both casual listeners and serious vinyl collectors. Overall, this stand is a strong combination of functionality, durability, and design. It organizes and displays your records efficiently while adding a stylish, retro industrial aesthetic to your room. Whether you're starting a vinyl collection or looking to upgrade your current setup, this large record player stand could be the centerpiece your music corner has been waiting for. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.